皆さんこんにちは. Hello everyone. Before we practice Hiragana, I'll give you a brief introduction of Japanese writing systems. In Japanese, there are three types of characters, and we combine them to create sentences. So one is Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji. So let's see how to use those three characters in Japanese sentence. When writing in Japanese, you may come across different combinations of characters. Let's see how to use those three characters in a Japanese sentence. Look at this Japanese sentence. This means his name is Mr. Brown. In Japanese, 彼の名前はブラウンさんです。Don't worry if you don't understand what I just said at this moment. I'm just showing how to combine these three Japanese characters to make a Japanese sentence. So now let's break down this sentence. These parts are in Hiragana. Hiragana characters are originally created from cursive kanji and written in flowing style, as you can see. This is Katakana. Katakana characters are mainly to write foreign words, which have become part of the Japanese language. In this sentence, brown becomes brown in Japanese and written in Katakana. I'll go to the details in Katakana in a Katakana lesson. And these are Kanji. Kanji is originated in ancient China, and the characters are indicating ideas and sounds. You can learn Kanji with my other Kanji lessons, so keep learning. So the next, I will briefly explain Hiragana before we practice Hiragana characters. So now let's move on. Now we have a Hiragana table here. Hiragana characters are made up of different strokes and written from top to bottom and right to left in a vertical table as shown here. So you can see 46 Hiragana characters in a table. And in Hiragana are syllabic characters. Then one Hiragana shows one sound. So to learn Hiragana, it is important to memorize the pronunciation and the shape of each character. To help with this, we will go through each row of the table and practice the pronunciation, and then I'll provide examples of words that use each character in my next Hiragana workout lesson. Now, let's see the first row, which shows 5 vowel sounds in Japanese. A, I, U, E, O. There are only 5 vowels in Japanese. So once you are familiar with the individual characters, you can start to combine them to form words and sentences. With practice, you will be able to read and write in Hiragana with ease. Now it's time to move to the Hiragana practice in my next Hiragana workout.